If your leads live in a spreadsheet, you're losing deals. Spreadsheets don't close deals, they bury them. The 5-minute cliff destroys your pipeline. Respond after 5 minutes. Your odds of conversion just plummeted by 80%. Spreadsheets are static containers, not active engines. They don't auto-reply, they don't track you, they don't remind you to follow up. They just sit there and guarantee you miss the window. Your leads don't care about your sleep schedule. Most businesses reply in hours. By the time you wake up, that lead is already gone. Look at the gap. The competition that replies in 2 minutes, they're taking your deals. You're human reliant, they're system automated. The fix isn't working harder, you need a better engine. Stop letting a silent grid dictate your pipeline. Capture the lead, auto reply in 2 minutes, get the ping, close the deal. Spreadsheets plus human delay is equal to cold leads. Free CRM plus 2-minute automation is equal to closed deals. Stop letting a silent grid dictate your pipeline. And stop bleeding leads. Set up your automated system in 5 minutes. Full tutorial link below. Follow for more sales fixes. Thank you.